Value creation is the new currency. Money is not the real currency anymore. Value is, based on insights from global research by McKinsey and OECD. The modern economy rewards one thing above all: value creation. For a long time, people believed that degrees, titles, and experience were enough to succeed, but look at the world today. Many people have qualifications, but still struggle to earn more, and others, with simple skills, are creating income, growing fast. Strange, but real. So what changed? The market no longer pays for effort alone, it pays for results, it pays for solutions. Now think about this: two people are working, one follows instructions, completes tasks, does what is required, the other solves problems, improves systems, creates better outcomes. After some time, one stays replaceable, the other becomes valuable. The difference is not how hard they work, the difference is the value they create. This is the new rule: if you create value, you get paid; if you don't, you get replaced. Simple, but powerful. Today, businesses are not looking for people with the most knowledge. They are looking for people who can produce results, who can save time, increase profit, solve real problems. That is value, and value is what the market rewards. Now ask yourself, are you just doing tasks, or are you creating impact? Are you easy to replace, or hard to ignore? Because in this new world, your income is directly connected to the value you create. So focus on solving problems, focus on improving outcomes, focus on becoming useful. Because useful people get paid more, and in the end, money always follows value. This is Future Capital. Learn, adapt, win.